Here is a thin rod of length L. We increase the temperature. Increase temperature by delta T. And we find the length has increased by delta L. This is increase in the length. So, now in L length, in length L, increase is delta L. So in length 1 meter, what is the increase? Delta L by L. Okay. In temperature rise, delta T rise gives the expansion. Give the expansion. Delta L by L. Then 1 degree rise. Give the expansion. Delta L upon L into delta T. This. Okay. So 1 meter, 1 degree rise is delta L upon L delta T. This expansion is known as, this is coefficient of linear expansion. Linear expansion. So we call it alpha. So alpha is equal to delta L upon L into delta T. This. Or what will be the new length? New length L is equal to old length plus expansion in the length. This is equal to L plus delta L. Delta L, calculate from here. This is L plus L into alpha into delta T. Delta T. So this we can write as original length L naught 1 plus alpha into delta T. This is the new length at temperature T. So this is formula for alpha. This is formula for new length. This is linear expansion. Now we go for areal expansion. In areal expansion, here this dimension also increase and this dimension also increase. When both the dimensions increase, then again we find the coefficient. This is L plus delta L. This is L. This is L plus delta L. Now, what is the new area? The new area is equal to L plus delta L whole square. This is equal to L square plus 2L delta L plus delta L square. This is the new area. What was the old area? That was L square, only this much. What is the change in the area? Change in area. Change in area is this minus L square. So that is L square is cancelled and what we get is this quantity. This we reject because this is too small. Delta L is very small. Square of the delta L is further small. So this is rejected. Too small. Okay, so what is the change in area? Change in area is now 2L delta L. This is change in area. So what should be the coefficient of areal expansion? Beta. Beta is change in area. 2L delta L divided by original area L square into rise in temperature delta T. See here, 1L is cancelled and this is 2 into delta L upon L into delta T. But delta L upon L into delta T is alpha. So this is equal to twice of alpha. So beta, what is beta? This is coefficient of areal expansion. Areal expansion. Coefficient of areal expansion can be written as change in area divided by original area multiplied by change in temperature. This is change in area, this is original area, this is change in temperature, and we get 2 alpha. So beta is equal to 2 alpha. Similarly, we can prove that coefficient of volumetric expansion. Coefficient of volumetric expansion, that is gamma. And we can prove that L plus delta L into L plus delta L into L plus delta L. All three dimensions when increased will give us 3 alpha. So linear expansion alpha, superficial or areal expansion beta is equal to 2 alpha, volumetric expansion gamma is equal to 3 alpha. These are the expansion and the basic principle. Whenever a body is heated, whenever a material is heated, there has to be certain expansion. Thank you.